All right, Rich is checking. We think this is a Ford Fiesta with an attitude, but look at this thing. This reminds me of Flying Tigers, that P40 Warhawk. And boy, this is shaking. I don't know if I'm happy with this yet. I think I gotta spend the big money for the gyroscopic thing. Is it a Fiesta?
All four.
They're all Fiestas? There's a bunch of Ford Fiestas, and this one's got attitude, so I had to put that on video for you guys. All right, there's the version with the glasses on. It looks pretty clear, but she's really dark. But she's got the lines on her, which I love, of course, the stripes. And pretty black Mustang. Another Mustang. And what is this, Rich, over here? This car's gonna pass by here. RX-7, guys. RX-7s are pretty rare. That's some kind of ridiculous car doing something. Explain it to me, Rich. What are they doing with the pop?
Two-step.
A two-step.
Two-step.
What's a two-step?
It's to get the turbo spooled up. Normally, if it's turboed.
Yeah. Right now, I just think it's bad timing, but that's me being old school. And there you go. Look, there's the stripes. See the stripes? Flat on black. Always nice. And again, horribly dark. I gotta put my glasses on to see if this is even working. And you know I got a thing for Porsches, so I had to point them out.
That's German.
What?
That's German.
I keep trying to shoot this without the light, but the darn camera just keeps turning on the light. We're gonna leave the light on. That show the car. Look at that. See that? That is the iPhone 10 showing its lens. Oh, now he's showing off. That's nighttime shot for the iPhone 10. This is the nighttime shot for the iPhone 6 Plus. So they have made some adjustments, and I'm impressed. Now I almost want to buy a 10. This is the first time I've seen like why does it matter, and I'm all about the camera. That's what that car looks like. Thanks, Rich, for showing us. We'll just keep videoing your iPhone 10 so people can see what's going on. It's sad, isn't it? It's kind of sad. All right, so I got a light bar. Look at this. See this light bar? And I can light up my way because this is worth looking at. Look at the size of the hood on this Mustang. Rich thinks it's a 2018, but she's out here in the dark, and I am doing my own lighting now.